Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Nissan Murano 3.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, plier, flat tip screwdriver, cup type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 6 quarts of 530 conventional engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. So first I'm going to be opening up my oil filler cap. Use my plier to get it started. Oh, this guy is tight. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting in my funnel. So now we're going to be going underneath the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. It's towards the back side of the engine. Okay, so I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. I'm going to be using the old washer. Nothing wrong with reusing the old washer. So I'm going to be removing the engine oil filter. It's going to be on the passenger side, right side of the engine. So I'm going to be using my cup type oil filter wrench, and I'm going to unscrew it. So I put some oil around my new oil filter seal. So then that way when I spin it on, it's just going to slide on. So now I'm going to be wiping down the engine block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck onto the engine. If there is, remove it. So now I'm going to be screwing in my new filter. I'm going to be tightening it up. So I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. I'll be starting up the vehicle. Let it run a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. You can turn it off. Now I'm going to be checking the oil level. Okay, so now I'm going to be pulling out my dipstick. It's in the front of the engine. Wiping it down. Putting it back in. Pulling it out. Now I'm going to be checking the level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. So that's how you change engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.